How to add a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add a photo to your background when sharing your feed post to your story. So for example, if you want to share anything from your feed to your story, for instance, this photo right here, and you want to add a background image, just follow these simple steps. So just tap on share and then tap on add story first. Now you are just going to take a picture or a screenshot of this image like so. And then from here, you can just crop it out. So just tap on it to crop it. So here I'm just going to crop it so that it fits on the image only. And then once you are done cropping with the image, you can just go ahead and add it to your story. So I'm just going to make it so that the background is not seen, and then tap on save. And once you have done that, you can go back to your Instagram, and then from here what you're going to do is make it very large like this, so that wherever you tap it, it will show you an option to view the post. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on the stickers icon and then add your photo. Just tap on it, and then you're just going to add a background image. So just make it big, and again you're going to go ahead and tap on the stickers icon and add a picture and add the screenshot of the photo that you just took. Now you can just go ahead and post it on your story. So as you can see here, the story has been posted. So if I just tap on it, I have an option to view the post, and it will take me directly to my post. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.